Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, good day, wherever you are watching us from. We warmly welcome you again to Niger Data Platform Day 5, Week 5. You are very much welcome, and we are excited that we have a good season facilitator in the house, Mr. Everest Obot. Let's meet. Today is going to be telling us visualizing and data reports. So, hi, Everest.
Hi, Anne.
Yeah, good afternoon. You are welcome. We are all excited. We are waiting, and we are all ready for you. So, you have the floor.
Thank you very much, Anne. Good afternoon, viewers. Good afternoon, everyone, from wherever you are coming from. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. My name is Everest Obot. As you can see, we are here to visualizing data with Power BI reports. Okay, so this is a series, and I know we have been coming from a particular location. It's a journey, so I hope and I believe that we'll get to our destination by the special grace of God. All right, so without wasting much of our time, let us go straight to action. Because Power BI visualization is hands-on tool. Okay, hands-on tool. We are not here to speak too many grammar, just for us to go straight to the point. So these are our partners in the system. Okay, so first and foremost, I want to be sure that you can all hear me. Please, Madam Moderator, please can you all hear me? Am I audible?
We can hear you. Please go on, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, first and foremost, we have what we call visualization, allowing what is visualization? How does visualizing data help us? How does it help our business? How does it help your company? So, visualization allows data to be represented in different ways. It allows data to be represented in different ways, leading to insight into data, relationship that may not be easily seen. Okay, so our daily life is full of data. You go to a grocery store, you buy things, your product ID is there, your the prices are there, the contact details, the email address, these are data. So how can this be visualized in one simple format so you and I can understand what that means, the cost implication, the revenue lost in product, and so on. So Power BI allows users to create and adjust visualization, adjust data. It helps us to be able to put our data handy based on their own needs. So the way you want your data to be visualized, that's the way you present it. Okay, so it's a very simple platform. Users will be able to look into their data from different perspectives. You find the insight of your data and the relationship that connects your data, that connects your information. It helps them to make better informed decisions. So you don't just carry files, carry documents everywhere you go because you have your data in those documents. No, Power BI, Microsoft introduced Power BI for us so that we can make everything seamless. All right, make everything seamless. Hovering from your mouse over a visualization can bring up options for exploration. That's exploring your data. Focus mode, we have focus mode, we have other platform, other things that you need to also see. The options bring up additional options. The platform, that's Power BI, brings up additional options, open comments, explore data, show data, spotlight your data, your source information, how you can source your data, between the ascending and descending formats. Okay, so these are the things that we will need to be doing today. Now, if you see the screen right now, this is the kind of platform we want to build. You can look at this. It says sales performance dashboard. This is what we need to build today. And I don't want us to waste time. I don't have enough time. So let us move into action immediately. Thank you. So let me bring in my Power BI platform. Okay. Wow. All right. So let me share my Power BI platform. Just hold on. Okay. I believe you can see my screen. Can you see my Power BI? Can you see my dashboard?
Yes, yes, we can see your screen.
Very good. Now, this is what I was showing us before in our slide. This is what we are going to build. If I pray that time permits us to get this visualization done, okay? But this is where we are going. This is where we are going. Sales performance dashboard. How do we go about this? So, first and foremost, let us open our blank page on Power BI. Blank page. This is our blank page. The white page you are seeing is our canvas. So first we'll go and get data, which we all know. You go and import your data from get data. My data is sitting on an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so when you import your data, it come out at this corner here, the field part. So this is where all my data is being stored. We are going to make use of this stuff. Okay, so as soon as this is done, if I go to my uh, model, you'll see the relationship on my data. If you go to my Power Query, you will see the extent of my data. Okay. Imagine you are having this on a document. Imagine you are having this on a document and you are carrying it about. You will know that this information is not complete, or maybe human error. One or two things would have happened. But now we are going to visualize this data the way we have seen it in a raw file. Okay. So first thing first, let us look at our theme. Okay. Let us look at our theme. Hello. So let's go to the view. Hmm? I want to use the theme now so that it can give me what I want. So I'm going to use temperature. I'm going to make use of this temperature where you are seeing my mouse over. I'm hovering on it. So as soon as I do that, I'm going to go and get my background. Okay. So on this part, these are the areas where you can visualize your data. These are your visualization tools. These are your visualization tools. All right. So where's my field? Okay. All right. So I'm going to my page information. These are my page information. These are my canvas settings. Then from the canvas setting, my background. So I want to transparency. I want to reduce it to 0. I want my transparency to be 0, so I don't have any interference. I want to reduce my background to this background here. All right. So so I've done my background. Wallpaper option, I'll remove it from white. I still give it that background. Okay. So I move from there. So so page view, I'm going to on my page view, I've picked set, fix it to what, to width, fix it to width, so that it will give us the landscape platform that we are looking for. Okay. So let us start creating the visualization. Now the first thing we are going to look at here now is creating the header. The header, it says sales performance dashboard. Okay. So let us go straight to sales performance dashboard header. So first I'll go to my insert. On my insert, I pick my shape. So instead of me picking my, okay, no, instead of me picking the text box, I'm going to pick the button. Okay. I'm going to pick the button and let the button, make it blank. Okay. So I want to create this part. I want to put a signature to my design. Okay. Signature to my design. So format, I'm going back to my format. I'm going to my format button text, put my title on. Okay. Okay. So let me go to title button text. So I'm going to call it Ninja Data Platform. Okay. So I've done that. I've done that. So let me adjust it. Remove this. Okay. All right. So I've gotten that out. What do I need to do? If I want to speak now, you can see that mine does not have the background. Doesn't have the background. So okay, that's fine. On the text, I'm going to the font color. Let me increase the font color. Under the font color, I'm going to pick a particular color here. For a particular font is delaying me. All right, so I'm picking this. So it will be bold. Then I can change the font color. Let me pick this color. Okay, or it's too bright. Pick this color. Okay, I increase the. Should I increase this to a little bit 15? Okay, so effect back. So we don't need anything here. Okay, so the next one now is the next one now we are going to get sales performance dashboard. Sales performance dashboard. Okay, so shape and picking this shape. Okay, so I'm going to write on it. Hold on, I think my stem is hanging. Hold on, I don't know why this is here. Okay, so let me make use of this guy. I'm copying it, like pasting it. Make use of this, increase the size. So my title, change this to sales performance dashboard. All right, so quickly I need to go and increase the size, to 24, 25. Okay, all right, so I need to bring this out. Let me this guy. Okay, so all right, so let us check what we are doing, if we are doing it right. All right, so we have our sales performance dashboard. All right, so we can also increase the size if we want. All right, so the first thing now is for us to go and get our our slicer. This is a slicer. This is a slicer. The first one you are seeing here, where my mouse is moving around, is the slicer. Okay, so we have to go back to our visualization tool and look for the slicer. Okay, so this is the slicer. Click on the slicer. As soon as you click on it, it appears on your screen. It appears on your screen. Okay, so you go back to your data and let us pick on our order date. All right, where's my order date? Okay, see, this is my order date. This is from the data that we imported. Okay, so we have to share it, resize it. Hmm? So let us move to the format option so that we can go and format it. So let us change the outline color, format option, slicer header. Okay, font color. I still pick this color if to be okay. Let me go to the general part, title, and put it on. Okay, where's my position? Okay, size is 300. The width will be no 300, 150, 150, 130. Okay, all right. So position is okay here. Horizontal It's okay like this. All right. So um, the title, let me leave it at that. Then text color, let me give it this color. I hope I'm getting the right color for it. Then text size, let's do text size. Okay, so let me get the my fonts. Okay, increase my text size. All right, let me go back to my slider color and get the background. The font color increased. All right, so increase the text, the font size. All right, so all right, my font family is set. So I hope we are getting it. So let us go back to our prototype. All right, so I still need to go and check. My title is not increasing. So let me go to on title. Okay, so let me give it order date. All right, good. So let me put it in the center. Let me reduce it to 12. Okay, so let's go back to, so let us not waste time on this. I can also want to change my background color. No, hold on. Let us check what we have here. We just want to, mirror the same thing we are seeing here. Okay. Okay. So we are good. We are good. So let me remove that. Go to my editing format. Stylizer, background, go to white. Okay. So my font, um, hold on for me. Effects. Okay. Very good. All right. So let us go to the next one and says advance average discount. There are certain things that we need to also add there. There are certain things we need to add there. We need to add the background for the order date. Okay, but I'm just trying to not to waste too much time on that. So average discount. So let us go to the card option mode. Okay. Let's go to our format option. Um, Discount. Okay. So right, let's make it 130. That will be the same thing with the slicer. Okay. Put on the title and give the title as average. Okay, so let's give it a fonts family. Get it. Okay. So font color, let me change this. Okay. Put it in the middle. So let us see if we can get. Okay. So let us get the other ones. So we have average quantity, total sales, and total reports. So I just don't want to waste much time on this. So let us copy this also and paste it, copy it and paste it, paste again. Okay. All right. So we change this to average discount title, no, average quantity, average quantity. So let us take quantity from the data, quantity. Also, my quantity is not moving. All right. So the quantity option is there. Average quantity is there. Now let's move straight to our, what else? what do we have? Um, Total sales. Total sales. So back to our editing format. Click on the general and remove this one to change this one to total sales. All right, total sales. We still maintain the font because you know where we are coming from with it. Maintain the font. So let us go back to pick our total sales. So we are going to pick our profits. Profits. All right. So that's done. So let's go and get our total profits. Total profits. Let's pick another one and adjust it. Adjust this so that it can fit in that line. Okay. So we can even change this. Okay. So I hope we are following. I hope I'm not confusing anything. Okay. So total profit we are looking at. Let us go to edit format also, general, and get our, remove this and call it our total profit. Okay. So then let us go and pick our data set. Okay. I'm not here to, I'm not defining anything. Okay. All right. Are we good? So with this dashboard, you are able to analyze to your clients what you are trying to say or what you are trying to present on the raw data that was given to you. Okay. Now you have your slicer here from a particular year to other year. I think from 2000 to 2014. You can adjust it to any year you like. Okay. So that is your slicer. So at the moment you keep adjusting your slicer, the other buttons will adjust. Okay. So let's move faster to our prototype. What next are we going to look at? Number of orders. Number of orders. This is what we are going to go and get now. Number of orders. That's the total number of ordering on a particular sales, particular icon or particular product rather, the total number of that icon or that product that was given. Okay, so we move on to the next one that says so What other thing are we going to pick here now? What other visuals are we going to pick now? We are going to create this entire part. This entire part. Okay. Order, profits, and sales. So let us go and pick. I want us to pick star column charts. Star column charts. It's okay. I think that will do that. Or I have another one. I hope this will give me what I'm looking at. Start column charts. All right. So the visualization that you are going to pick, the tool you are going to pick matters a lot when you are doing your visualization. Okay, it matters a lot. So I think I should pick area charts. Good, because this area chart, it looks similar to what I am looking at. It looks similar to the prototype that we are looking at. It looks similar. So I don't just want to go and pick something else and it doesn't give us the shape that we are looking at. So star area chart is the right one to go. So we are going to go and pick our quantity. Click on it. So once you click on the icon, you activate what you want to do. So quantity. Where is our quantity here? Yeah, quantity. All right. So quantity. Then if we go back here and change our text and say from quantity, we give it to number. I use this as number of um, order. So let's go and exchange the height and the width of that chart. The axis, first change it to our normal font family, which is this guy. All right. Um, color, change it to how this is the color. Mm. Change the height, width, axis, values. Where's my height? Position, y-axis, increase the height, 12. Okay. So format, font family. There's our font family now. On here. So general, okay, font family is here. Um, this is it. Okay, good. Change the background to color to this. Okay, good. Centralize it. Very good. All right. So what else? Positioning, height. Change this to. We'll be using 130. Um, okay. Um, all right. It's not giving me that my graph. It's not giving me the graph that we are looking at. I guess something is wrong somewhere when it comes to the graph. So we have picked our quantity. Madam Moderator, do I still have time?
Yeah, we are running out of time. We have 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. So you can
Wow, two
start
more
rounding
minutes.
off. Yeah, well done, sir. Well done.
Wow. It's a lot visualization. It's a lot. Okay, so it, the bottom line is if you understand your visualization very well, you understand the tools. Apart from getting your data set ready, you need to know where to place your data. Why are you placing it? What do you want to achieve? Why do you decide to create order number, profits? So depending on the data set that you gather, you want the organization to know how much they are making in a year or monthly, how much lost have they incurred, what is their average quantity or quality or products that they've sold, total sales, total profits. These are tools that helps your your clients to understand better rather than a raw file. Okay, so if you look at this you are seeing on the screen, this finished job that you are seeing, you will know that each icon or each platform has its own function. So I am reducing this here. You will see it will affect every other figures here. Okay. If I click on this, it affects every other figure. Can you see? Everything changes. It shows that they are all linked together. They have relationship together. Okay. So if I want to know how much I've been spent in a particular year, I just come to the dashboard and I begin to adjust it. So if I say from to 2014, from 2012, 2012, 2012 to 2014, how much has gone? So you can see that the average discount that we have made is 12.92%. Average quantity is 3.69. We have total sales three 398.45, sorry, 398,045. You can see total profit 77.53. So these things are, that is between 2012 to 2014. You are able to gather these figures. Okay. So on under your profits by category, what are the categories? These are the categories: furnitures, between furnitures and office supply. This is what that you were able to make in that year. So if you go between technology and the other way around, so anti-clockwise, you will know how much you have made in that Yeah. So data Microsoft Power BI gives you a direct entry to your data. It gives you a round figure of your information, a summary of your data, what you have made in your organization. With this information, this will help you to excel properly, because we don't have time to sit down and beautify all these things the way it is. And I think we have come to the end of this presentation. Over to my
Wow,
moderators.
wow, wow, wow. Mr. Everest, that is awesome, awesome. That's a good job there, Mr. Everest. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Our wonderful audience, we love what our facilitator has done, and we want you to leverage on the information that has been disseminated, and then as we go on, if you have questions, please feel free to reach us on the Niger Data platform. Kindly fill our feedback form so that we can get better. And then we want to draw the curtain until we come your way again this time next week. Please stay tuned and stay blessed. Bye bye.
Thank you very much. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Bye.